Welcome the R channel. Today we how to enable RMD scheduling with Schwab. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To enable RMD scheduling with Schwab, start by logging into your Schwab account on the website or app. Once logged in, navigate to the account section found in the main menu. Look for the option labeled Retirement Accounts within the Accounts section. Click on Retirement Accounts to access your eligible accounts for required minimum distributions, or RMDs. Next, identify the account from which you wish to schedule RMDs. Select the account to open its details. Find the RMD option within the account details. Click on the RMD option to view your distribution schedule. Review your current RMD settings and balances to ensure accuracy. When ready, select the option to set or update RMD schedule. Choose the frequency of your RMDs, whether you prefer monthly. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw for your RMD. Review the payment methods available for your RMD withdrawals. Select your preferred payment method, such as direct deposit to your bank account. Confirm all details entered for your RMD settings. Once verified, click on Submit to finalize your RMD schedule. You should receive a confirmation message indicating your RMD schedule has been successfully set. Make sure to note any important deadlines related to your RMD schedule. Finally, log out of your Schwab account for security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.